What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Infiniti Smart Key remote fob. This remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing we want to do is grab the fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and the emergency key will slide out like that. We can just set that to the side for now. If we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the fob, we see there are these two small notches, one right here and one right here. What I'm going to do is take the screwdriver and put it in that notch and then twist like I'm opening a lock with a key. Come over here and do the same thing. Put the screwdriver in that notch and twist. And as I do that, it's starting to open the shell slightly. What I'm going to do now is take my screwdriver and carefully put it in the crack right here where the shell's starting to split, and just work my way up that crack, and it'll continue to open the shell. Once you get the shell far enough started, you can just pull it the rest of the way off with your hands, like that. Now in the back half of the shell, we see our battery right here. Use my screwdriver to get under the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. Get that snapped into place. Then we can snap the two halves of the shell back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.